fisherman out there in the ocean, out there in the depths of the sea, depths of the sea. Don't know his destination. Now where it's gonna be, where it's gonna be. Providing food for you and me. See, I say row, row your boat, let me have to reach. Hungry children and shore, night and day them a bleed. Fishermen, row, row your boat, let me have to reach. Hungry children and shore, night and day them a bleed. Although the sea so rough, the sea so tough, the sea so rough. Fisherman no catch fish enough, no catch fish enough, no. And if the wave splash the water in the boat, fisherman use the baler, use baler, get water out. Row, 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 sing it one. Row, row, row. I say row, row your boat, and we have to reach. Hungry children and shore, night and day them a bleed. Bleach in the sun, bleach in the dew. Don't know what more to do. So give them a hand if you can. Fishermen, row, yeah, row, row, row. Take my mind, row, row, row. Mr. Fisherman, row, 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 row. See, in the streets getting hot, and the youths them a flex so cold. Them looking food for the pot. They will fishermen go pull that gap. See, in the streets it's getting hot. They looking food for the pot. I miss a fisherman can pull that gap. I miss a row, row your boat, let me have to reach. Hungry children and shore, night and day, night and day. Whoa, row, row, Hold it. Yeah, yeah, man. Keep the fist, keep the rhythm running. Keep the rhythm running. Same rhythm. You said my two sons was here tonight, my two sons. Water blood and Ancha blood. They will give you something like this. Say, water blood and Ancha blood, they would say, on the ice grade, standing one, the ice grade red. Whoa, I've been smoking the ice grade, chilling outside. Couldn't wait for the day when there'll be no rain from the sky, no cloud inside. And I hope it will keep up much longer. It's something special about this day I like. Hey, this girl living across from me, anytime she walk past by, something